Here we have Mint Springs Road Railroad crossing here near Guthrie. That light's keep loud because of the wind. We got storms coming in tonight, this evening, and this afternoon. So here's the first signal. We got a safe tran base, safe tran gate mechanism. Some kind of sticker there. I'm not sure what that is. We also got a lock here. Just to run some information, as you can see, the dot number is 348151E at milepost 00H213.28. The lights are safe tran 12 by 24 inch lights with LEDs, and I'm not sure what kind of LEDs are. When I edit this video today, I will put the lights what LEDs are in the description or any other. The gate lights are Rico gate lights, and like I said, I will put what kind of LEDs there are for the gate lights and for the LED lights here. Here's the second signal. There's a sign that says track work, but they're done. I heard them on my scanner. I've only seen one train. I saw Q512 with a YN2 leader. We have another safe tran base. Another safe tran base. Another safe tran gate mechanism. Emergency information. The lights are safe tran 12 by 24 inch lights. There's the LEDs. The bell is either NED or a general stimulus type 2 electronic bell. Or general stimulus type 1 electronic bell. I haven't heard this crossing in action before. And the gate lights are NED gate lights. Yeah, this is on the Henderson subdivision. That way's looking north towards Evansville, Indiana, and that way's looking south towards Knoxville, Tennessee. So yeah, here we have Mint Springs Road. Mint Springs Road, and there's one more. Look at the sign, but they should come out here and get this sign up because they're done. I heard them on my scan, like I said. So here we have Mint Springs Road Railroad